Hi, welcome to Toronto, where you'll find the streets of Ontario, foods, paintings, different places, and many more. Let's go, and thank you very much for visiting my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna cook boneless chicken pinakbet. Usually pinakbet is made of pork. However, since a lot of people don't eat pork, I'm gonna cook chicken pinakbet. Let us prepare the bittermelon. I use the spoon to remove the inner portion of the bittermelon, and then I cut it in small size. Some people they cut it bigger than this. And then I cut the eggplant into small pieces also like this. I chop it into 4. And then I smash the garlic with hammer so that it's easy to dice the garlic. Now let's cut the onion. Cut into half like this. And then I cut it bit by bit. Then I'll dice the onion like this. Our ingredients: garlic, onion, ginger, pepper, squash and chili pepper, eggplant, tomatoes, and very important is alamang or shrimp paste. Also we have bittermelon, long string beans, okra, and boneless chicken. You can use any cooking oil, but I use olive oil and a little piece of chicken fat to saute the garlic, onion, and the ginger. And then after that, I'll add the chicken also. Yeah, like this. Just saute the chicken for a couple of minutes. Stir it evenly, like this. Then gonna cover it for a few minutes. After a few minutes, we're gonna add the alamang like this, or the shrimp paste. I'm gonna stir it evenly. Then we'll close it again. Here I use 2 cups of water, and then I'll put the pepper on the water, stir it evenly. Now let's add the tomatoes and let the meat absorb the taste of tomatoes. And then we're gonna add the eggplant. The eggplant is it takes a while to cook the eggplant. Stir it evenly. Then we're gonna add the water with pepper and let it boil. Now we add the long string beans, the squash, and the green pepper. Yummy, almost there. Now we can add the bittermelon and the okra. There you go. And now we have our boneless chicken pinakbet. Yes, that's chicken pinakbet na masarap. Please feel free to cook the same boneless chicken pinakbet. Hi, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you will receive an automatic notification. Thank you very much and always take care.